His servant, even the 7th time, didn't realize what he saw. Because if I'm not mistaken, y'all help me, Brother Wayne. When not this the same servant that had a vision problem?
That's right.
That Elijah had to tell him on one occasion?
That's right.
Look, you need to look again. Those that are for us are more than those that are against us.
Yes, sir.
This servant.
Look and see.
My Lord.
Shucks.
My Lord.
This servant, before he had proven that his eyes recently got clouded by the circumstance and situation. What he thought he saw was a cloud as the size of a man's hand. But spiritually and supernaturally he saw God's hand carrying a cloud.
My Lord.
Because the rain is in the cloud. Y'all will catch that tomorrow. He did not see a cloud at the size of a man's hand, but he saw God's hand carrying the cloud that was full of water.
Yeah.
Every door there.
My God. My Lord.
Well,
Thank you for the word.
Thank you, Lord.
tell Ahab, get in a hurry.
Come on. Stop.
The prophet got in a hurry.
That's right. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Because the hand of God was moving on their behalf, carrying the very thing they needed.
Come on.
I hear the rain. And the fact of the matter is, everybody talking about what they saw. You got to be able to hear it first
That's right.
before you can see it.
Wow. That's all right.
I hear the rain.
Yes, sir.
What am I telling you, St. Paul? Family, friends, finally, God's blessing.
Yeah.
God's blessing.
That's right. Come on.
God's blessings
Yes, sir.
are upon us.
Yes, sir.
His blessing. I told y'all I came to prophetically speak over your life. God's blessing
Yes, sir.
are upon us.
Yes.
Now, January of 2010, God dealt with us extensively in this house and said that this is the season of the open door. How many of y'all are just crazy enough to believe that God does not go back on his word?
That's right.
This is October. We still got November. And we still got December. And the fact of the matter is that if God feels like it, he'll extend 2010 into 2011 so that you can see the moment and walk through the open door. God told us extensively, this is the season. This is the hour for the open door. But the question is, can you hear it? Before you talk about I see it, can you hear it?
All right.
Before the servant could see it, the prophet heard. And because the prophet heard, he gave instructions to Ahab and the servant. And because Ahab and the servant was obedient to what the prophet heard, they saw rain.
Jesus.
My God.
Glory to God.
God's blessings are upon us.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I hear rain. Now, in the natural, I'm still on my Bible. In the natural. You know, I love it because the spiritual normally defies what we do in the natural.
That's right. That's right.
Most time you cannot do the same thing you do in the natural and the spiritual and expect to see results. Right. I was thinking about that thing because I said, Lord, you know your child, I'm a little retarded, you got to make it real plain for me. You made me just who I am, so make it real plain for me. And if you make it plain for me so I can understand, I can relate to your people so they can understand. I ain't the only one in spiritual special ed. Say amen, somebody.
Sure ain't.
That's why I got so many study Bibles so I can get it.
That's all right.
Say amen, somebody. Then after I get through reading them, I'm still confused. Then I have to pray to God. God, please make clear to me what you were saying in your word.
All right.
All right, look. In the natural, that's how I see this plane. So, in the natural, when the weatherman says it's going to rain, clouds are over our heads. What do you do?
Bring umbrellas, prepare for it.
That's how you prepare in the natural. Repeat what Pastor said in case y'all didn't hear. In the natural, when it's getting ready to rain, you get an umbrella.
Right.
You get a raincoat.
All right.
Your rain boots.
That's right.
You get a bonnet. You know the women put the bonnets. I don't know if y'all know about that. Let me make it plain for the 21st century women. You get a ShopRite bag and put it over your in the natural, Lord. When it's raining, and if you ever get outside and you're caught in the rain, you know what we do? We analyze how quick we can run so we won't get wet out by the rain. You ever went in ShopRite and it wasn't raining? Came out, it's pouring down, and say, shucks. So now you look and say, well, I can't dump my groceries out. I don't feel like running back and ShopRite. So you look and say, well, just got 2 bags. If I sprint, then you standing up at ShopRite, clicking your butt and say, come on, I know you can open the doors from here, unlock those doors. If I sprint, I won't get as wet as if I walk. In the natural, for the normal person, we avoid the rain.
Go ahead,
Come on. Come on. Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
But then the scripture came to my mind where the Lord said, you are to humble yourself like a child. Yes. Now, as an adult, we avoid the rain.
That's right.
But our children,
They love it.
they want to play.
Yes, sir.
Don't care if they got on a coat, don't care if they got on a hat. You say, come on, will you catch the mold? They don't care about no pneumonia. They want to play in the rain.
Yes, sir.
The Lord said, humble yourself like a little child. Or else you cannot see the kingdom of God. So what God is saying, as we prepare for the rain, we cannot be as, thank you, Brother Bobby, we cannot be as adults.
Yes, sir.
As adults, we avoid the rain. But we ought to be like a child. As a child, you don't avoid the rain. Whenever you see it coming, you go and stand right up. I'm waiting for it. I'm staying right here until the rain. Now, if that rain car shift and go over there, I'm following the rain. In the spiritual, God said if you want to get ready for the rain, you got to take off. Oh, shucks now. Take off.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That umbrella. Take off that hat. Take off those, yes, sir, those rain boots. Take off